Welcome back to Cooking and Creating with Auntie M. Today we're going to do a quick recipe. It's for donuts, and I have a cake mix, strawberry, 1 egg, and 1 cup of sour cream. So we're going to mix all of this together. Let's put in the sour cream first, and we're going to mix it all up. I'm trying to just get everything out of here. That's how I was learned. Okay, so let's see what that does when we mix the sour cream with the cake mix. Okay, so we put our sour cream in. We're going to put our 1 egg in, and then we're going to mix it, and it's supposed to become a sticky mix. Okay, so then we're going to mix all of this together, get it all incorporated, and then we're going to fry them. However, you do have to put this in the refrigerator for about an hour. However, we're going to put ours in overnight, and so that we can make sure that this mixture is all married together. And then tomorrow we'll fry some donuts. Look at that, smells good. Strawberry donuts. Okay, so we're back with trying our easy donuts. We couldn't wait till tomorrow. So I'm going to drop a couple in the grease and see how it comes out. Hopefully it works out good. I think the mix is still too soft. So, and then it turns brown rather quickly. I don't know, people. We're going to have to find another recipe, I believe. Yeah. This is Auntie M's test kitchen. So we tested this recipe and we're not liking it. Although
if it allowed itself to cook before it started browning up, it'd be alright.
Yeah.
I guess that's why they cover a lot of donuts with like glaze and frosting and sprinkles, so you don't know.
Well, it says to cook for 5 minutes, but it'll be
look at that.
It'll be black. So this is a failed recipe for me. I'm gonna let the rest of the mix stay in the refrigerator till tomorrow, and we'll try it again to see if maybe if it stayed in the refrigerator longer, it would do better. But that's not it. But anyways, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for watching Cooking and Creating with Auntie M. Bye bye.